Did you know your iPhone is always tracking what you do, listening to you on the microphone? It's seeing your location through the GPS and sending all the data to Apple and other big companies. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn off important settings to maintain your privacy and never ever share location, voice, or any important data with Apple or any other data collecting company. So please subscribe guys and keep on watching. First you need to go into settings, and from there you need to scroll down and find out where is privacy and security. In this blue icon, privacy and security, we need to see tracking. Tracking is the most important thing that they use for data collection. Tracking, it's the second option below location services. We click on that and then we see allow apps request to track. So every time you install an app, you must have noticed it says allow app to request to track or not. So you click on that, yes or no, but here you can disable it permanently. So this green icon, you turn it off and it will become gray, allow app never to track. So after this we go back and this will make it permanent. So after this we need to go to another two more important things. You need to scroll down and find out this, the option which says analytics and improvements. So in this analytics and improvement, and if you read this one by one, in the first one it says help Apple improve its products services by automatically sending daily diagnostics. So, and these are all like this, improve hand washing, like this is total BS. You don't need to send hand washing data to Apple. Improve safety, improve health and activity, improve Siri and dictation. So dictation is voice, it is sending all your voice data which you totally don't want. So you can turn all of these off. These might be green in you, so you can turn them all gray. So improve wheelchair mode, improve assistive voice features. Assistive voice features are all voice data that is being shared from your phone without your knowledge to Apple. Improve AR location accuracy is all the buildings around you. Their size and shape of buildings and other physical features are shared with Apple without you even knowing. So after turning these all off, you can make the top option gray. Now we'll go back and click on the second icon, Apple advertising. This is for the advertisers so that they make money from your data. Mine, it is showing nothing, but in yours it might show green toggle and you can turn all of those off. Mine, it's all empty. I don't know why, but generally it has several green toggles which you can turn off so that all your data is safe and you don't want to share your data with advertisers, right? After this, we'll go back to the top again, and from there we'll select the location services, the topmost icon. And location services, you don't want to share location all the time, and you don't want to share location unnecessarily with unknown apps, right? So my phone is empty and this phone I don't use, so it is showing only 5 apps, but yours is going to be 20 or 50 apps. So one by one you can check all apps which you don't want to share location with, and then you can select never. It's going to give you 4 or 5 options, and from there you can select never, or like this it will show several different options. Location services, ask every time I share while using the app, and you can select them all off. Okay, and next is this system services. In system services, all of these system apps are unknowingly, without your permission, sharing all this location data with Apple or any other third party companies which might be using your location data. So you need to one by one go through all of these and select off, except a few which I would say are important, like Find My iPhone, Emergency Call and SOS. these you can leave on, others are mostly you can turn off. If you like significant location and route, this is sharing your office or home address and places you usually go to. It is sharing those location with Apple, which you don't want to share, right? So you can turn this off immediately, and it will say something like this: significant location and route. So you say turn off, and then you clear history. In this, the lastmost option, it says clear history. So I'll go and clear history, clear anyway, and so all the history will be removed. So this is the location data which was being shared without you even knowing. You didn't know all of this was shared, right? So you can turn all the unnecessary features of location sharing, voice sharing off. So it will save your battery and data also, and your privacy, the most important thing also. So that's all guys for this.